Often we're trying to achieve so much, and when we get to the end of the week and we find we haven't done all the things that we wanted to do, or we're a day or so out, we can get really anxious and stressed. Sometimes I think the answer doesn't lie in trying to get more done. I think sometimes it lies in recognizing what we have done. Sometimes just going, what have I done this week that's moved me forward towards my goals, rather than looking at the negative. When you reframe what it is you're thinking about and look at it from a perspective of what I have rather than what I don't have, or in this case, what I've done as opposed to what I've not done, you end up shifting your thoughts and your focus from a glass half empty perspective to a glass half full. And I don't know about you, but I'd much rather have a glass half full than a glass half empty.